Everyone wants passive income. The idea of earning money without working every single hour sounds perfect. And in 2026, this idea is more popular than ever. Social media makes it look simple. You see people claiming they earn money while sleeping, traveling, or doing nothing at all. But most of these examples are misleading, exaggerated, or incomplete. The truth is, real passive income is not effortless. It requires time, effort, learning, patience, and consistency, especially at the beginning. In this video, we are not talking about unrealistic dreams. We are talking about passive income ideas that actually work in 2026 if done correctly. These are not get-rich-quick methods. They are systems that take time to build but can generate income repeatedly over the long term. If you are looking for shortcuts, this video is not for you. But if you want clarity, realism, and long-term thinking, then keep watching. Let's start by understanding one important thing. Passive income does not mean zero work. It means less work over time. You work hard up front to build something, then that system continues to produce income with minimal ongoing effort. With that in mind, let's explore the 7 passive income ideas that still work in 2026. The first passive income idea that still works in 2026 is dividend investing. Dividend investing means owning shares of companies that regularly share part of their profits with shareholders. These payments are called dividends. Unlike trading or speculation, dividend investing focuses on long-term ownership. You are not trying to predict short-term price movements. You are building a portfolio that pays you consistently. In 2026, dividend investing remains powerful because many strong companies continue to generate stable cash flow. Businesses reward long-term investors. Compounding works better over time. At the beginning, dividends may feel small. You might receive only a few dollars per month, but over time, as you reinvest dividends and add more capital, the income can grow steadily. This method requires patience. It is not exciting at first, but it is reliable and proven. Dividend investing works best for people who think long-term, can control emotions, avoid panic selling. Reinvest earnings. It is not fully passive in the beginning. You must research companies, understand risks, and build discipline. But once your portfolio is built, dividend income can feel surprisingly stable. The second passive income idea that works in 2026 is creating digital products. Digital products include ebooks, online guides, templates, courses, Notion files, digital planners. The advantage of digital products is simple. You create them once, and they can be sold repeatedly without extra production cost. In 2026, digital consumption is stronger than ever. People prefer learning online, solving problems quickly, and accessing information instantly. However, this is not easy money. Creating a successful digital product requires understanding a specific problem, creating real value, clear communication, time investment upfront. Most people fail because they create products without demand. They focus on what they want to sell instead of what people actually need. When done correctly, digital products can generate income for years. The key is quality, not quantity. You don't need 10 products. One well-made product, solving one real problem, is enough. This income becomes more passive once the product is completed. The system is automated. Marketing is stable. The third passive income idea that still works in 2026 is rental income from real estate. Real estate has been a traditional passive income method for decades, and despite market changes, it still works. Rental income means owning property and earning regular rent from tenants. However, it is important to be realistic. Real estate is capital intensive. It requires money, planning, and responsibility. It is not fully passive. There are repairs, management, and risks. But in the long term, rental income offers monthly cash flow, asset ownership, inflation protection, long-term appreciation. In 2026, many investors reduce effort by hiring property managers, using technology, automating payments. This turns active involvement into semi-passive income. Real estate is not for everyone, but for those who can manage risk and think long-term, it remains powerful. The fourth passive income idea is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, podcasts allow creators to build long-term income systems. This type of income is called delayed passive income. You work consistently for months, sometimes years, without earning much. But once content builds up, income can continue even from old videos or articles. This is surprising. In 2026, content is more valuable than ever, but competition is also higher. Success depends on consistency, clarity, long-term mindset, educational or evergreen topics. Content creation is not fast, but it scales. One video can generate income thousands of times. One article can earn while you sleep. This model rewards patience and learning. The fifth passive income idea is licensing and royalties. This includes stock photos, music, sound effects, designs, fonts. You create an asset once and license it multiple times. In 2026, creators earn royalties from music platforms, design marketplaces, AI training data in some cases. This income is unpredictable but scalable. The more quality assets you create, the higher the chance of consistent income. This model requires creativity and patience. The sixth idea is building automated online businesses. Examples include print-on-demand, automated e-commerce, subscription-based services. These systems require setup, testing, optimization. But once established, daily involvement decreases. Automation tools in 2026 make this easier than ever. However, this is not hands-off at the beginning. It rewards system builders, not gamblers. The final passive income idea is often ignored: investing in your skills and knowledge. Skills allow you to build better systems, avoid scams, make smarter decisions. Knowledge compounds faster than money. In 2026, the biggest advantage is understanding how systems work. This may not look like passive income, but it enables every other method on this list. Passive income isn't about getting rich fast. It's about choosing patience over pressure, systems over shortcuts, and progress over perfection. If this video helped shift the way you think about money, and you want more real long-term investment and income ideas, subscribe to Passive Income Explained and grow with this channel. Remember, this content is shared for educational purposes only, and it is not financial advice. Always take responsibility for your own financial decisions. Thank you for spending your time here. Your journey toward financial clarity starts with learning. And I'll see you in the next video. Which idea you prefer more, tell in comments.